Hi, my name is Dave Arntz, National Sales Manager for Roadmaster Active Suspension. With the high cost of fuel that we are now all facing, let me show you how the Roadmaster Active Suspension is able to save you fuel every time you fill up. If you have a pickup or van with rear leaf spring suspension and tow an RV, trailer, or carry a load, we have the solution. The heavier the load, the greater the savings. When a vehicle with rear leaf spring suspension is loaded to the manufacturer's maximum recommended load, the arch in the springs will be reduced and will no longer be able to work in their optimum bowed position. As the vehicle travels over undulating road surfaces, the up and down movement of the rear of the vehicle causes the sidewalls of the tires to continually flex and bulge in the area where the tire makes contact with the road, resulting in an improper footprint and added roll resistance. This continuous tire bulging creates a changing and larger footprint, similar to an underinflated tire, and increases roll resistance, which makes the engine work harder, resulting in the vehicle burning more fuel. Now, when a vehicle is grossly overloaded, the arch of the springs will be completely flattened and the springs will no longer be able to function. This additional weight causes the rear of the vehicle to sag considerably, causing the vehicle to bottom out. The now compromised leaf springs can no longer absorb and dissipate the load. Furthermore, the undulating road surface will compound the problem, eliminating the leaf spring's ability to support and absorb. Unable to dissipate via the leaf springs, the force of the load will now transfer to the axle, wheels, and ultimately to the tires. This could result in damage to the leaf springs and frame of the vehicle. When the Roadmaster Active Suspension is installed, the rear leaf springs are now supported by two variable rated coil springs, converting a passive suspension to an active suspension system. These extremely powerful coils are the key to the success of this outstanding product, as they do not only assist the leaf springs in supporting the load and stabilizing the vehicle, but also when strain from the load is applied, a stabilizing action unique to the Roadmaster comes into effect immediately, absorbing the force of the load. On undulating road surfaces, Roadmaster Active Suspension controls the rate of deflection of the leaf springs, again absorbing and dissipating the energy. The consequence of this continuously absorbing and dissipating load force action is controlled discharge of energy through the leaf springs, axles, and tires, creating an improved balance between the tires and road surface contact. The result is a smaller and consistent tire-to-road footprint and vastly reduces roll resistance, the key to fuel savings. Now that we've shown you that the Roadmaster is certainly not a bogus product and can save you up to 20% on fuel and extend the life of tires, leaf springs, rear suspension components, and also vastly improve road handling, all without compromising your ride quality with or without a load, the Roadmaster Active Suspension is the only product on the market that works in this revolutionary horizontal manner. And because of this, it is the only device that can achieve all of these advantages, including the fuel savings. On behalf of Roadmaster Active Suspension, thank you for watching. Roadmaster Active Suspension, the best money can buy. Safety, strength, stability, control, and fuel savings. Roadmaster Active Suspension, it's not just an accessory, it's a necessity.